Hi guys, my name is Michael and I'm a junior, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a ninja star. Fun fact about me, my favorite movie is Happy Feet. So you're going to need 8 square sheets of paper. Here I use sticky notes. So first you're going to want to fold the sheet of paper vertically and then diagonally both sides as shown. And then you're going to want to bring the 2 bottom corners to the center as shown. Now you're going to want to fold the top in and fold it in half likewise. And then you're going to want to make 2 tiny folds up top. These will be a sort of claws to help hold the piece together. You're going to want to repeat this 8 times. Now you want to assemble the star by putting the claws in between the gap of another piece, and repeat this 8 times again. Once you have all 8 pieces in and are working on the last joint, you're going to want to make sure the claws are inside a gap as usual, but outside of the center bit that belongs to the next piece. Thank you for watching.